Now let's kick it up a notch and let's graph y equals 3 tan of x minus pi over 4. We have all kinds of transformations going on here, so let's identify a first. A in this case is 3. B is the coefficient in front of the x, and since you don't see a number, it's understood to be 1. And yes, we have some shifting to the left and right going on. We're going to talk about this in a second. So first of all, let's find the period. The period is pi over b, so in this case, conveniently, pi. The x increments 1/4 times pi, which is pi over 4. Nice, okay. Now we need a left asymptote starting point and a right asymptote. So let's take a look. The left asymptote, we set our phase shift, x minus pi over 4. We set that equal to negative pi over 2. So now you add pi over 4 plus pi over 4. Of course, you have to have same denominator, so 2, and make this a 4. Negative 2 pi over 4 plus pi over 4 is 4, which is a negative pi over 4. That is our left asymptote. Here is negative pi over 4. And now our right asymptote, we said x minus pi over 4, we set it equal to pi over 2. We add pi over 4, and that again is 2 pi over 4 plus pi over 4. X is equal to 3 pi over 4. And let me just put this right here. 3 pi over 4 is our right asymptote. The line you cannot cross or touch, right asymptote. Okay, little table here, x, y. So we're starting with negative pi over 4, and we have an undefined. If we add our increment, which is also pi over 4, that gives us a 0. 0 plus pi over 4 is pi over 4. Pi over 4 plus pi over 4 is 2 pi over 4. And then plus another pi over 4 is 3 pi over 4, which we already know is our right asymptote, and that is undefined. So now we have to find the 3 key points in between. What I have listed here are my basic y values for just the basic tangent of x function. We have our 2 asymptotes. Now the next point in the basic tan function is negative 1. However, since our a is 3, we're multiplying the a times negative 1. That gives me y value of negative 3. 0 times 3 is 0. And then 1 times 3 is 3. So let's... Negative pi over 4 is my asymptote that's undefined. So my next point is 0, negative 3. And of course, my increments are a little off, but you get the idea. Then we have pi over 4, 0, right here. And 2 pi over 4, 3 would be up here. And then you draw your S-shaped tangent curve, right so. Here you go. It's not pretty, but my negative pi over 4 should have been really right here. Okay. I'm just going to erase it. Here you go. That's how you graph 3 tangent x minus pi over 4.